Welcome back, True Seeker. July 2nd, 2019. CNN, one of their top stories today. NASA sold moon landing footage to an intern for $218. Now the tapes could sell for millions. What's funny about that is in Hebrew, the word moon sums to 218. Again, the original language that Gematria belongs to is Hebrew. So I wonder where they got that $218 number from. Notice CNN, they posted their story at 1:47 p.m. Eastern Time. Let me know if you've ever heard this before. In Gematria, Freemason, conspiracy, spaceship, outer space, and a whole lot more that add to that list sum to 147. If you've read my book, you know the chapter on space by the numbers is loaded with 147. Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy is loaded with the 147. Here was another story. This was on CNN's front page yesterday. This is the space story today that replaced NASA's space story yesterday on the first day of July, just 3 days before firework day here in the US. CNN had this story, slow motion fireworks in space. Doesn't this just look so real? Man, I'm glad we give NASA $50-some million a day to bring us this. Hubble telescope is picking up images of a space eruption that happened in 1838. And then if you read the article, they say how it looks like fireworks. What a coincidence. So anyway, 1838 was 181 years ago, right? 181, that's the 42nd prime number. Outer space is 42. Get in our 4-base ciphers. Freemason has overlap with outer space in 2 of the 4. Of course, pretty much every astronaut to have traveled to space has been a Freemason, whether they're in America or elsewhere. Freemasonry, the powerful worldwide secret society. Notice how outer space has overlap in 3 of the 4 ciphers with conspiracy. The alphabetic order, well, the 4 ciphers are the alphabetic order with the rules of numerology, the reverse alphabetic order, and the reverse alphabetic order with rules of numerology. Outer space and conspiracy, the same in 3 out of those 4 ciphers. And here was the reporting about these space fireworks. Although the timing of the latest image from the Hubble Space Telescope coincides with the upcoming July 4 holiday, the cosmic fireworks captured in it have been unfolding over 2 centuries. They just coincidentally decided to give it to you right now. The source of the show is a 7,500 light years from Earth in the double star system Eta Carinae, which is in the Carina of Ship's Kill constellation. The Great Eruption, a gigantic explosion, happened in the system in 1838. This caused it to be the second brightest star in the sky during April of 1844. Only Sirius, a star 1,000 times closer to us, was brighter. So, let's look at some of this. So, Eta Carinae, hopefully how you pronounce it. Notice it sums to 193. That's the 44th prime number. Space equals 44. I should mention that Cancer equals 44. We're in the astrological time of Cancer. Cancer is ruled by the moon landing in the time of Cancer. Cancer's astrological symbol looks like 69. The moon landing supposedly was in 1969. But no, space is 44. They say it's in the Carina of the Ship's Kill constellation. Carina's 44, and then they talk about how it made it the brightest star in 1844. But Ship's Kill's also 139, like Freemasonry. America's also 139, the nation founded by Freemasons. Isn't it just so easy to see how all of this crap is contrived? And I mean, they put it in front of your face. Doesn't this story... I mean, have you ever heard of a story where, like, space was supposed to be like fireworks, and then just 3 days before the 4th of July, they give this to you? But they'll never top this one. They'll never top it. Google took it over the top on July 4th, 2016 by making this Google Doodle. You can go back in case, you suffer from being a member of the United States of Amnesia. July 4th, 2016, the big news story was that The Juno probe landed on Jupiter in July. And Google Doodle made their doodle so it said Goy. A nice compliment to non-Jews. Be sure 7 days later to go get your Go Yum Slurpees at 7-Eleven. But Goy equals 47. Just like how July 4th can be written 4/7 plus July 4, 2016 was a date with 47 numerology. Jupiter, July, Juno. Isn't it wild? So, just had to point it out again. And we'll leave it there for now, Truth Seeker. Till next time.